Good morning children, welcome to Sri Sharda Mata Computers. In today's class, let us learn about the clip art, how to insert a clip art. For that, let me click on the clip art option from the illustrations block. So if you click over it, you will get this clip art pane. Here in a search box, type what is clip art first. Clip art is nothing but the collection of the images that is stored in the computer. Now if I want the clip art of a rabbit, okay, then what I will do is I will write the rabbit in the search box and I'll click on go button. See, I got the rabbit clip art here. So if I click on it, it comes to the MS Word file. Now here you can see these points, right, corner points. You can make it big, drag it and make it big, okay, or you can even make it small by dragging these corner points, okay. And if you want to rotate it, you can rotate it by keeping your cursor on this green point. See, you can rotate it, okay. Now here, similar to that of a picture, you will get different styles, okay. In whichever style you want, you can just click on it. See, I will select this style, okay. I got this style to my picture, to my clip art. Now if I want to add shapes to my picture, then if I want to add this diagonal shape or this star shape, see, just a second. If I want to add a different shapes to my picture, let me take this diagonal shape only, okay. If I want to make my picture, if I want to give a shape to my clip art, see, I got this shape to my clip art. Now if I want to add the color to the borders of my picture, that is to the to my clip art, then let me add the color by clicking on the picture border. You will get this theme color dialog box. So whichever you want, you just click on it. See, the color got added. Now again, if you want to give effects also, you can give the effects. See, if you want whichever effect you want, you can give to your clip art. Similar as we have worked in a picture, inserting picture, right? Similar to that only clip art also works, okay. After that, if you want to change the position, as I have already said it, to how to insert the picture in MS Word file, okay. Similar, it is in the top of the page, whether you want to add it in the bottom or at the right corner of the page or in the center or at the beginning, middle, in the center of the page, okay, then you can do it, okay. This is the way you can insert the clip art, okay. Thank you.